Today I would like to talk about the battery chargers again, the ones that can charge several batteries. In previous videos I showed this charging device, and after that I also tried another one, a simpler one, just a bunch of cables soldered together into this mini charger, which also has some circuits inside to control the charging process. And this is how it works. You just plug the USB to any USB charger used for phones, and then you can plug your batteries. There are 5 connectors that you can plug in, and I think this charger is the most practical one because it has less connections, it's smaller, and it's just like one cable. With this batteries for Eachine drones, usually you don't need any indicators like this charger has. They have their own indicators. If you see the light is on and it's red, it means it's charging. When it gets full, it turns off. In this case, the light is blinking. When it fully charges, it stops blinking. These chargers are not perfect. I've seen comments from people buying these adapters that sometimes these lights can be misleading. Sometimes these lights don't turn on or turn off when the battery is charged or not. Sometimes they charge slowly. This charger also, I noticed that the red light sometimes turns off and sometimes it doesn't turn on, but it still charges the batteries. And it happens usually with a lot of adapters. With this mini adapters, you can always have this problem with LED indicators. Sometimes you're not sure if everything is working correctly or not. So with these batteries, I would advise just to look at these indicators on the battery. For example, normally without these chargers, you would use a regular USB cable from a phone, and these cables don't have any indicators, and you would just plug it in. And looking at this LED, you would understand if it's charged or not. So after using a few of these adapters, I think that my choice would be this cable. It doesn't occupy a lot of space, it's flexible, and it's cheap, and it's easy to use.